I have 400 grams of beef mince here. What I did was I split it. Half I've blitzed finally and half have remained because I want a bit of texture to my burger. This is 1 slice of stodgy white bread, good old Hovis, which I've blitzed because that's going to be mixed in. 100 grams of red onions blitzed and 1 clove of garlic, large clove of garlic also blitzed. Dried basil, half a teaspoon. Teaspoon level of dried rosemary, teaspoon of coarse black pepper, teaspoon of pink salt. I've also got a quarter teaspoon of nutmeg and a quarter teaspoon of cinnamon powder. First, in a flat pan, which I have got here, you're going to add your onions and garlic, but you're going to wait for the oil to heat up, obviously, which I didn't do. What, guys? Come on, let's not hold back. This is 200 grams of mushrooms, which I've blitzed as well. They're going to go in too. I'm just going to literally give everything a jolly good saute and caramelise, and then add to my burger because I want it to have a nice, deep, rich flavour. I want it to go PAH in my mouth. Right, as you can see, all the water has evaporated from the mushrooms and the onions. That is ready to go in now. That's not very attractive, but trust me, she's gonna be tasty. There. In I go with all of my spices, and now what I'm gonna do is give it a jolly good mix. And by jolly good mix, I mean get your hands in there and mix it, people. Mix it like your life depends on it. Mixed really well. What I did was, I ran out of baking paper, people, so I'm going to use a plastic bag. It's fine. So I made a patty and then I just pressed it down. I'm going to be using Mexicana to fill my burger with, and what I did was I just sliced it and then kind of stacked it up. I've got 4 squares there. That's going to go on top, and then this is going to go on top of all of this. This patty is slightly thicker. I haven't thinned it out, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to get my other bag and then press down until both sides meet and become one. I'm going to get a fork, and at the edges I'm just going to pierce the fork through. Don't know why I'm doing this, just think it might help bind, but not in the middle because obviously you've got the cheese there. And then again, bag over the top, give it a good press, turn everything on its, give it a press that way as well. Now I'm just going to neaten up the edges, and we're ready to get this baby cooked. Just make sure both sides are nicely entwined. Edge of oil in the pan. I'm going to put it bang in the middle. Let that sit. For approximately 4 minutes, and then I think I'm going to turn it over. I'm not going to touch it for a good 4 minutes. Hand it over, guys. Look at the char on that. Beautiful. Low heat. Cooking the other side now. Give it a helping hand. But yeah. Yummy. So again, this time I'm going to go in with my Gouda cheese. Dirty burgers need dirty cheese, people. Give it a press. Low heat. Put it to the side so it doesn't burn now. Give it a cover. And let that cheese melt. Particularly when I'm steaming it. Let's have a look. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's the business. Yeah. Right, gas off. Let that sit. Let's get everything else sorted now. Toast my burger buns on my toaster because that's just the easiest way to do it. This is my base, which I've toasted. On top went some red onions, tomatoes. I'm using baby spinach. You can use spinach, not spinach, lettuce. On top of that went a drizzle of salsa. Now I'm going to place my patty. Oh, that patty's gone on. Then with my top, I have just literally slathered it with Dijon mustard. And there, people, that is one epic, dirty, juicy, juicy burger. Got my Nando's salt seasoned chips and my beautiful burger here. Oh, so yummy! And if I've done this right, if I cut into this burger, oh yeah, boy. You can't see? Let me show you. Look at that! That is delicious.